Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we talk about 4 small cap stocks from the portfolio of Vallabh Bhanshali for the year 2019. Now, for those of you who do not know, he is the chairman of Enam and is one of the most well-known Indian investor whose name is an authority on the Indian markets. Now friends, if you have not already become members on Profit and Equities, please click on the join button below and follow the steps to do so. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Pi. Also friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now the first stock on the list is Enam Industries Limited, which is available at Rs 794.00 and the face value for it is 5. The holding for Vallabh Bhanshali in this particular company stands at 1.32%. The symbol for it is GREENLAM. Now Enam Industries Limited is a laminates manufacturing company engaged in the business of manufacturing laminates, decorative veneers and allied products through its factories at various locations and branches and dealer networks spread all over the country. Its segments include laminate and allied products and veneer and allied products. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has not really done anything special and has been an underperformer throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 1916.43 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 29.51 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 26.91, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 28.71. The price to book ratio of 5.38, however, is a bit on the higher side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.31%, whereas the promoter holding is just above average and stands at 54.74%. None of the promoters' holding is pledged. The company has a total debt of 263.7 crores on its books, whereas its 52-week high and low stands at 1240 and 652.20 respectively. Now the second stock on the list is Vascon Engineers Limited, which is available at Rs 12.80 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Vallabh Bhanshali in this particular company stands at 1.32%. The symbol for it is VASCONEQ. Now Vascon Engineers Limited is an engineering, procurement and construction company. The company's principal activities include real estate development, hospitality and manufacturing and building management systems. The company's segments include EPC, real estate development, hotel and manufacturing and BMS. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has also followed a similar pattern and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The market cap of the company is 228.01 crores, which means that this company is also a small cap one. The EPS of 0.80 translates into a very cheap price to earnings ratio of 16, which is also very cheap when compared with the industry PE of 22.28. The price to book ratio of 0.33 is also dirt cheap. The company has a debt to equity of 0.4984, whereas its return on equity is 0.0149. The company did not pay out any dividends, whereas its promoter holding is a disappointing figure and stands at 34.25%. Also, the pledged holding is to the tune of 26.44, which is also a matter of concern. The company has a very high debt of 312.1 crores, whereas its 52-week high and low stands at 36.30 and 12.25 respectively. Now the third stock on the list is UFO Movies India Limited, which is available at Rs 199.75 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Vallabh Bhanshali in this particular company stands at 1.27%. The symbol for it is UFO. Now UFO Movies India Limited is an India-based company which is engaged in providing digital cinema services to exhibitors and distributors of films under e-cinema and d-cinema and also related activities. The company operates a digital cinema distribution network and in-cinema advertising platform in terms of number of screens. Now this company has also followed a similar trajectory and has been an underperformer throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 566.31 crores, which means that this company is also a small cap one. The EPS of 20.76 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 9.62, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 21.60. The price to book ratio of 1.21 is also very cheap. The dividend yield is a very strong factor for this company and stands at 6.26%, whereas its promoter holding is a disappointing number and stands at a low number of 30.09%. Out of this, 5.65% is pledged. Total debt on the books of this company is 136.7 crores, whereas its 52-week high and low stands at 403.80 and 164.10 respectively. Now the final stock on the list is Genius Power Infrastructures, which is available at Rs 27.60 and the face value for it is 1. The holding for Vallabh Bhanshali in this particular company stands at 1.16%. The symbol for it is GENUS POWER. Now Genius Power Infrastructures Limited is engaged in manufacturing, providing metering and metering solutions, and also undertaking engineering, construction and contracts on turnkey basis. The company operates through the power segment. Now this company has also been an underperformer throughout the entire year. The market cap of the company is 710.31 crores, which means that this company is also a small cap one. The EPS of 2.81 translates into a cheap price to earnings ratio of 9.82 when compared with the industry PE of 15.42. The price to book ratio of 0.89 is also on the lower side. The company did not pay out any dividends, whereas its promoter holding is just about average at 50.47%. Also, 5.27% of the promoter's holding is pledged. The debt to equity is 0.3818, whereas the return on equity for this company is a decent number of 0.1723. Total debt on the books of the company is 234.5 crores, whereas its 52-week high and low stands at 50 and 22.90 respectively. He also holds 7Cs Entertainment, which does not look like a very promising stock, and Khetan Electricals, for which the March quarter shareholding is still not out. We have desisted including these stocks in this particular list. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.